Welcome to 𝗏𝗁, Brentwood's hidden gem. Inspired by country music legend Eddie Arnold, who once called this land home, this prestigious 61-acre neighborhood prioritizes preserving its luxurious landscape. But what truly sets 𝗏𝗁 apart is its location. Located just across from the respected Richland Country Club, residents enjoy world-class golfing and exclusive amenities. Next door, Radnor Lake State Park offers stunning hiking and wildlife experiences. With only 27 exclusive custom-built homes, we will be touring you through the only home currently available for purchase.